finally here.
I feel like I'm gonna touch the ceiling right now.
Look at this view. So we're here. We gotta make a left. Let's go.
My hat. Oh my god, I see a cow.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my god. We gotta go through there. Oh my god. Oh, what did I get us into?
I have no idea. Smells like shit.
Walk all the way past the yurts up to the fence and take a left. That's the tiny house.
Oh,
It's
they're cleaning it.
121.
Let's just go ask.
There you go. Oh, I just stepped in so much mud. What is this? Dude, this is why we're not... Hello! Watch this shit right there. Here.
Where are the tiny houses?
Did he step in here?
Yeah.
We're finally here.
I feel like I'm gonna touch the ceiling right now.
She's going first.
Come here. Get in here.
What is this? What is this? Why is it there?
What is that? How do I wash it?
You don't. There's no water as a composting toilet. It just falls in. What?
It's so cool. When you pee, you put that.
How do you know?
It says it right there.
Right beside me.
So it's our first day in Amsterdam. We're in a tiny home that's nowhere, but also 17 to 20 minutes away from the central city, which is further than we thought it would be. We're gonna give it just tonight and then one more night, and then we'll probably try and book a hostel. And it also smells a lot, and I knew that coming in, but it smells a lot worse than I was expecting it to. I'm glad I get to be with her and just experience this together. If we are gonna do this, we would definitely need a bigger tiny home, so maybe like a medium home.
Got this awesome view.
Yeah, the view though is killer. We just finished making some dinner. Very great dinner.
Thank you. When we wake up in the morning, we'll break breakfast, we'll get our shit together, and then we go call an Uber with your data. Try and find a cafe with Wi-Fi, book a hostel, and then we have to go to Anne Frank at 12. And then after that, we go to the Heineken tour.
But we're okay. We're alive.
We're alive.
Okay, we're gonna go venture out to go pee really quick.
Oh my god, I can't see anything. Wait, I can't see. I'm scared. I feel like there's something crawling next to me.
I have to put my sawdust in.
I need sawdust. Hold on.
Put your sawdust. Want me to go first?
Yes, please. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Wait, can I go first?
You just...
Can I go first? Please hold.
You made it.
Lock that door. I'm scared. I'm scared of the dark.
So now we have to undress again and then have them dry because our shoes are still wet from today.
Everything's wet. Well, that's how we go to the bathroom in a tiny home. It's really early in the morning. I'm cooking some breakfast. Trying to get ready as fast as we possibly can. Look outside. Like, we can't even see what's outside. So yeah, we're gonna finish eating breakfast and then hopefully get out of here. So we're in the middle of doing my hair, but breakfast is ready.
Top shelf over now.
It was all foggy.
Couldn't see those trees. I couldn't see the end of those poles.
There's like animals over there. I'm ready to get out. Okay.
Bye. Goodbye.
smells like shit. I'm trying to get out of here unnoticed, but I think people are noticing us. Oh my god, just walk. Just walk. That's all manure. People are staring at us. Oh my god, look at that animal. What kind of animal is that? That's not a lamb. And it's like some type of sheep, but not sheep. Oh my god. I just want to get out. Where's the Uber? Where's the Uber? Also, we didn't hear any roosters this morning, and I was slightly disappointed. Just experiencing this. Car's coming, car's coming. Car's coming, car's coming. Yeah. Bless. Okay, car's here. Car's coming, car's coming.
I've never been so happy. Oh my gosh, you are the best human being ever.
Alright guys, so that was our experience with the tiny home. You have any comments or just
Don't
I don't
bash
know.
us and how awful we
Yeah,
are.
if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, like and subscribe. Bye.